Hey, what's up everyone and welcome to Daily Code Buffer. In this video of JS Buffer, we are going to see the arrays find function. So find function is used to find a element inside an array. If that particular element is found in the array, it will return that particular value, else it will return the undefined. So let's take one example over here. We'll just take the array over here. We'll take some values 5, 10, 12, 8, 23. Okay. And we will be using the find function. Constant found equals to array.find over here, and here you can see that this find will take the callback function over here and it returns the value of the first element in the array where predicate is true and undefined otherwise. So we'll give the callback function over here, value, we'll give the arrow function, and suppose if you are giving that value first value which is greater than 10. So this is the particular callback function that we are providing over here. So if any value that we found which is greater than 10, first value, we will be getting it. Let's print the console.log found over here, and let's print this. And here you can see that we are getting 12. So 12 is the first value which is greater than 10. And if I give 20 over here, we should be receiving 23. And if we pass any value which is not available in the array, we should be getting undefined over here. So this way find function will work in JavaScript. Now if you want to find the index of a particular element, then you can use the find index function of an array to get the particular index of it. So that's all in this quick video. I hope you like this. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for the upcoming videos. I will see you in the next video. Till then, happy coding. Bye bye.